Hey, my friends, I am so excited. I have been doing so much um, studying and learning and finding out ways that really work with us making money from home because there's so many different things out there and there's so many different people that like to work in different ways. So I was looking at different ways and I've been looking for some legit ways to make money from your computer from home. And wow, I have found like the mother lode. And I am so excited to share these with you. So I'm going to be putting them on my YouTube and sharing them with you. So look, just click below and like my video and click the bell, and so you'll get notified when I put the new videos up. I'm not the fastest at getting my videos up, but I'm not just putting stuff on here. I'm putting things on here that will benefit you, something that I would actually do. So um, check it out. Guys, we are not in this alone. Stay well, stay home. Um, Take this time to get to know yourself, get to know your family more. I love you guys. It's Patty Allred here, and I'm here working for you to help you. I love you guys. Make it a great day.